Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about the medical large language model, aiming at attracting your attention to this field of research in the computer science. I think it's very, very interesting and has a lots of the applications. I'm going to tell you the story about the medical large language model and its applications. I am Saeed Farzi. I am a senior AI researcher at Fandesino Bruno Kessler, working mostly on the medical large language model. I would like to begin with this question. What if AI could help doctors save lives in the real time? Save lives in the real time. Very interesting. What does the AI need to do that? What do you think? Lots of the knowledge, lots of the papers. AI needs to learn of the millions of the papers, scientific paper in medical domain. Learns complicated, complex patterns in the patient stories, medical narratives in a different language. We are talking about all the data, all the medical data. It means that the main challenge of this is the healthcare data is overwhelming. That sounds like trying to drink water from a fire hose. Really, really difficult. What's the solution? I know, you know that. Of course, medical large language model. Nowadays, ChatGPT is very famous. We know that the capability of and ability of the ChatGPT. What if what if the ChatGPT is trained on the medical data? What's a large language model? Think about the baby wants to understand and generate a human-like language, or answer the question, or solve a problem. He needs to learn from the vast amount of the text, books at the library. LLM is artificial intelligence system trained on the public text. Medical large language model is an LLM trained again on the biomedical text. Like that baby wants to go to the medical school to be trained on the biomedical and clinical text. MedLLM is a specialized LLM in the medical domain. Of course, it has lots of application, like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a public LLM, but we have a MedPalm and BioGPT. It's a medical lab, which is known as a medical large language model. One of the most important application of this bedside application. Imagine medical language model can be used for diagnosing the rare cancers, analyzing the DNA data, or curing the depression and that sort of disease. Or can be used as a medical research assistant, like a ChatGPT. One of the most important application of the ChatGPT and medical large language model is used as a search engine, can provide you lots of information, knowledge, and insight about the papers, scientific papers, and research, and experiment, and that sort of things. Communication. Imagine that baby who wants to be a doctor right now. He is a doctor. He's talking in English, but his patient is talking in Chinese. Really interesting. Can make a communication. Of course, and with the help of the medical ChatGPT, you can design drug. One of the most important application of the chemical and medical language model is to represent the drug-like molecule. Can overcome the complexity of the drug discovery and make it faster. Of course, with the ChatGPT, with the medical, of course, with the medical uh, language models, we can make the treatment safer, make a discovery faster, and make a communication better. I know this area is very, very interesting. Hopefully, I could attract your attention to this research area. Thank you for your nice attention.